Hi and welcome back. Lesson how to perfectly add a signature to a photo on your Mac. Adding a signature to a photo on your Mac is a great way to personalize your images, protect your work, or give documents a professional touch. So whether you are signing a scanned document or watermarking a photo, macOS offers a pretty handy tool that makes the whole process quick and easy. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Photos app on your Mac, and then you have to head over to the image in question. After that, you have to right click or control click on the image. Then you have to hover the pointer over Edit with section and choose Preview in the menu. And then you have to ensure that the markup icon is selected at the top. After that, click on the signature icon and then choose the preferred signature. Note that if you have not created a signature, you will need to create one. Simply click on Create Signature and then follow the instructions, and that's about it. It's worth pointing out that if an image is on the desktop or elsewhere, you will need to double click on the image to open it in the Preview app. And once that's done, you can hit the markup icon and then go ahead to add a signature, and that's pretty much it. With the help of the Preview app on your Mac, adding a signature to your photos becomes effortless and efficient. It's a pretty simple feature that can make a big difference, especially for professional or personal use. So try it out and streamline the way you sign and share your images. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.